On the racetrack, the rider's ultimate challenger isn't human. Airflow, that's its name, always calling for extra efforts. No one has ever successfully found the answer against it, but that was until we tried a new approach. Imagine a helmet that would change its shape according to your position. Imagine feeling no pressure whatsoever, as if you're floating through the curve. Envision a journey untouched by turbulence, even at top speeds. That's what Aeron-GP makes possible, with its new spoiler made of mobile flaps. We've made it. Air is no longer an obstacle. Now we are truly ready to reach new horizons. At one with the air.